Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the often challenging journey of healing from a breakup. We've got a 10-step process to help you navigate this emotional path to recovery. Let's get started. Step 1. Acknowledge your emotions. The first step is all about acknowledging your emotions. It's okay to feel sadness, anger, and confusion. Give yourself permission to feel these emotions. Step 2. Seek support. Step 2 is crucial. Seek support from friends and family. Share your feelings and experiences with your loved ones. You don't have to go through this alone. Step 3. Establish boundaries. In Step 3, we discuss the importance of establishing boundaries with your ex-partner. This can help both of you during the healing process. Step 4. Self-care. Step 4 is all about self-care. Prioritize your physical and mental well-being. Eat healthily, exercise, get enough sleep, and engage in activities that bring you joy. Step 5. Reflect and learn. Step 5. Encourages reflection. Take time to analyze what you've learned from the relationship. Identify both the positive and negative aspects. Step 6. Avoid rebound relationships. In Step 6, we talk about avoiding rebound relationships. Take time for yourself and resist the urge to rush into a new partnership. Healing takes time. Step 7. Keep a journal. Step 7 suggests keeping a journal. Writing can be a therapeutic way to process your emotions, gain clarity, and track your healing journey. Step 8. Seek professional help. Step 8 emphasizes the value of professional help. If you're finding it challenging to cope, consider therapy or counseling. There's no shame in seeking assistance. Step 9. Rediscover your passions. Step 9 encourages you to reconnect with your interests and hobbies. Reinvesting in your passions can be a fulfilling way to rebuild your sense of self. Step 10. Plan for the future. Our final step, Step 10, is all about planning for the future. Set new goals, create a vision for your life, and use this time to define what you want in your next chapter. And there you have it, our 10-step process for healing from a breakup. Remember, everyone's healing journey is unique, so be patient with yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and well-being. Thank you for watching.